If you want to use the Divi Filterable portfolio module, so you can sort items by category, your content must be set up as projects, not posts or pages. Right now, I have a post that I created to show the difference between using GIFs and MP4s in image, video, and code modules. I want to filter this item inside Divi's Filterable portfolio module. However, I accidentally created it as a post instead of a project. I do not want to recreate this as a project from scratch. To quickly convert a post to a project, go to Plugins and search for a Post Type Switcher plugin. Install the plugin and activate it. Now go back to your post list and choose Quick Edit on the post you want to convert. You will now see an option called Post Type, where you can change it to a page, project, or a file. This plugin allows you to switch between posts, pages, projects, and other post types. Once I change the post type to project, I click Update. When I refresh WordPress, I can now see that the item is listed under projects. When I preview it, everything looks exactly the same as before, which is great. If I had recreated this manually, I would likely need to redo layouts, settings, and metadata. After you convert your post, make sure to deactivate and delete the plugin. You may also want to go to Divi Theme Options and under an Advanced Builder section, clear the static CSS file. Then save your changes. Now when I go to the Projects section on my homepage, I can see my Filterable portfolio and the GIFs versus MP4s post is showing up as project. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching.